style and the kids checking for it. The number one question is how could you ignore it? We drop right back in the cut over basement tracks with raps that got you backing us up like rewind that. We're just rolling with the rhythm, rise from the ashes of stylistic division. With these non-stop lyrics of life living, not to be forgotten but still unforgiven. But in the meantime there are those who wanna talk this and that. So I suppose that it gets to a point where feelings gotta get hurt and get dirty with the people spreading the dirt. It goes,
try to give you warning, but everyone ignores me.
Told you everything loud and clear,
But nobody.
I will never bother you. I will never promise to. I will never follow you. I will never bother you. Never speak a word again.
Another head hangs lowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head?
You dig?
We fly high, no lie, you know this. Foreign rise, outside, it's like showbiz.
We stay fly, no lie, and you know this. Hips and thighs, oh my, stay focused.
Paper money, big cars, foreign fly rise, it's a drop, I'm abroad. Shoes on sky high, twist fly with the stars. Triple four flights, 80 grand long. So we lead with a pop, vertical Jones.
because days come and go, but my feelings for you are forever. Because days come and go, but my feelings for you are forever.
Sitting by a fire on a lonely night. And you know
Ain't good enough, you drive me crazy. One look puts the rhythm in my hand. Still will never understand why you hang around. I see what's going down. Cover up with makeup in the mirror. Tell yourself
from underneath the trees. We watch the sky, confusing stars, the satellites. I never dreamed that you'd be mine, but here we are, we're here tonight, singing, hey, man, I'm alive, singing.